Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing as well as showing you just how easy it can be to wax at home using this wax kit that I picked up from Amazon. So if you'd like to know more about this wax kit and just how easy it can be, definitely keep watching. So let's hop right in. So here is the wax machine that I picked up. It is called the Fermenro home waxing kit. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right, but just in case I am not, I am definitely going to link it down below so that you guys can pick up your very own waxing kit. So this particular waxing kit was $53.99, a little bit more on the expensive side, but if you think about how much money you spend going to the wax boutiques and stuff like that, you're definitely going to be saving more money by just waxing at home. So in the packaging, it includes the warmer, and this one goes to $240, and it's just like, it's black, very sleek looking top on top of it. Has what you put like little beans in, and yeah, so that's that. And then it comes with 4 different types of hard wax beads. So we have the blackberry, the cream, this one is called Cambodia. I know I'm not pronouncing that right, y'all, so I am gonna leave it right here because I know I'm not pronouncing it right, but yes. And this one is called Rose. So each wax is used for a different part of your body. So it also includes these wooden sticks. You get 10 of the small ones, and you also get 10 of the larger ones. And lastly, it includes an instruction book. Make sure you always read the instructions first, and let's hop right into it. So step number 1 is to, make sure your areas are clean and dry. So I did just hop out the shower and I dried off. I didn't put on any lotion because I knew that I would be waxing. So here I am, fresh out the shower, y'all. So like I mentioned, all of the beads do something different. So since I'm going to be waxing my legs today, I need to be using the Rose, which is used for an all-over purpose. So let's go. Now that you have chosen the appropriate wax for the appropriate area you want to wax, you want to grab your warmer and turn it up to the max temperature. The max temperature for this particular one is 240, so I turn it up to there. Then I grabbed my beads and I poured in the appropriate amount, and I let them melt for about 6 minutes. You want to make sure you allow it to completely melt, and mine's melted in the 6-minute mark. It is so important that you allow the beads to completely melt so that you can get the most out of your wax. So here I am just showing you the different stages that the beads go through. And by the 6-minute mark, my beads were completely melted and my consistency was just like honey, which is what you are shooting for. So definitely keep that in mind when you are melting these wax beads. So as y'all just saw, the wax completely melted within 6 minutes. So then I just put it back on 165, just keep it at like a warm temperature, but so it's not too hot, so that it doesn't burn my legs. So my leg hair is pretty it's pretty long. I haven't shaved my legs in like a week in purpose for this video, just so I could show y'all, you know what I'm saying, how good it gets it. Because sis, I know you want to save, like, you know what I'm saying, some money, but I know you want to be completely shaved too. So this wax machine does that. So I'm just going to, stop talking and just show y'all how well it really is. Make sure that the wax is completely dry and sticky free before you pull. So a great tip that you want to use is if you cannot get the wax up, to use a wooden stick to help pick it up, and it'll come right up, I promise. As you are pulling the wax, you want to make sure that you are pulling the wax in the opposite way that the hair grows. So what did you guys think? I definitely give this wax kit a 5 out of 5, y'all. Just like any other waxing, it hurts a little bit, but it's not anything that you cannot tolerate. But I would recommend getting somebody else to pull it off for you, because I think that's the hard part, really. Because you know, like when you go get waxed, you know what I'm saying, they just rip it off, but you're probably not just gonna rip it off yourself. I know that's the problem that I was having with it, so next time I would definitely like let somebody else rip it off for me. But the instructions were so easy to follow. My leg looks like, the spots that I did do, they look great. Like, I'm not lying, y'all. Like, they look, I have a nice clean shave. I'm gonna have it up close so y'all can see my nice clean shave. Yeah, a little piece goes a long way. This pot is still kind of like full, and I didn't put a lot in there at all. But I definitely recommend that you guys go pick up this wax kit. Again, I'm gonna leave it down below. It's gonna save you so much money. Like, just imagine being able to wax yourself at home. I don't think I'll ever be able to give myself a Brazilian wax at home, but like as far as like my underarms and my stomach area and my legs, for sure. If you guys like this video and you want me to try some more amazing beauty products, definitely let me know those beauty products down below, and I will definitely try them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for coming back week and week again. And don't forget that Yasin loves you. Bye.